Hiya, welcome back to the channel. So this should be a short and sweet video, but I'm just going to try and demonstrate how to change a wiper blade. Now I've done it on the C1 because that is specifically an awkward wiper blade, but I'm going to try and show it on a generic, pretty much any car standard wiper blade. So first we need to measure the wiper blade, and as we can see that is 21.5 inches, and I've measured that one and it's the same. So I called in at my friendly local car spare shop and purchased a pair of 22-inch wiper blades because usually they are half an inch shorter than what they say they are for some reason. Right, so let's get on with changing them now. We've got to lift the arm up. Now be careful at this point because you don't want the arm to twat the windscreen because it'll flick down, crack your windscreen, and then you end up having to get a new windscreen. So if we turn that like that, then we push it towards there, like so, the blade like that, and then you can manipulate it around it, and that is how you remove the shitter. Right, so now we've removed the old one, we can fit the new one. And sorry if the camera angle's moved a little bit, I had to pack up because I'm at work doing this and I had to go and do some work, unfortunately. So if we turn this, so that is pointing inwards like that, and all we've got to do is we push that through there. Now this needs to slide past there, and then we just pull it up there so that the round part of this clip is facing forward and the open bits which this pin goes into are towards the bottom or the open side of the hook. And then you just push it in and then pivot it around, and that is how to fit one wiper blade. Another little trick whilst you're doing them, leave the box for the old wiper underneath the wiper arm, so if it does shoot down there's less chance of it breaking something. So anyway, if we repeat that process again, then that is how you fit two wiper blades. Now you can recycle, responsibly dispose of your old wiper blades, and you can even carefully refill your screen wash. Yes. And now we can actually see where we're going, which is a plus if you're driving forwards. Anyway, I think that's all for this one. Hope it's been helpful. It might not have been if you've got a fancier car with fancier wiper blades, because they don't all fit in this way. This is like the generic standard shit. So anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the usual stuff. I'll see you next time.